a high school teacher at the Marsden State High School, has reportedly started identifying as a cat. She's got cat ears. She licks her hands. She hisses at the students, and she wants the students to call her. If you could look at the screen and see right on her little lanyard, it says Purr. She wants the students to call her Miss Purr.
No.
Yeah. Bitch, you crazy. And what are you, a trans species? Is that what this is now?
Parents are understandably losing their shit, especially after one mom said the teacher made her kid purr for candy, which is completely inappropriate.
I don't trust adults like that.